guys, how's it going? And Jessica Giovanna here. What? I'm sorry. And I also have a smiley face painted on me, so that's also amazing. I love it. I painted a painting today, and it was my bachelorette party. I want to go back and perfect it, but this is the painting. I love it so much. It doesn't look as terrible as I thought it would look compared to the original painting, but I wanted to go in and do more branches. Oh my god, more branches and more pretty things, make it look more cute. And then my friend painted me, which I love. It's amazing. It made me so happy. But enough about that. I got a package today. Do you want to see it? Let me show you my outfit. Actually, I want to show you guys my outfit. I can't. Oh my god. Walmart. So I don't know. This looks like like a jean jacket. Let's try that again. Jean jacket situation. And but yeah, I love it. It was like $7. It was really cheap. It looks like it's $7, but yeah, it's really cheap. And this belt I've had since I was like in 5th grade, and I was like, oh, I should just tie this around that. And I'm like, it's really cute. I love it so much. But accidental cute outfit. So excited, super excited. And then I just have these boots that I got on Amazon. But I'll show you guys, and I freaking love them. I have them for years, and they're so cute. Anyway, let's open up this box. I don't know what I have. Tbh, to be honest. No. Jesus. Okay. Oh my god. So many boxes in this one box. Let's see one candle. Okay, smaller candles. Gotcha. I'm honestly surprised I didn't lose my ring today. Anyway, I'm sorry. Okay. Focus, concentrate. Alright. So, I got $100 worth of candles. Looks pretty freaking cool. So this is 1 of 4, so it's 4, 4, 4. 12. 12 candles with glasses. $100. I think it'll look good. Alright. I will show you guys a picture on my Instagram of what these all look like, but basically this is what I wanted. And so there's 12 candles like this, all different varying heights and stuff, and I'm going to have them kind of along my eucalyptus garland in the middle of the table. That's kind of like the main decorations for the table, is these candles and my little garland thing. I have 12 candles and 12 glasses for them for $100 for all of that. So honestly, you could be done with your decorations and stuff just with that alone, but I did buy these little golden little candle holders. They're really small and they're really pretty. I want to do this part of the video today, and these are really small, cute little candle holders. 12 of all of these. I will let you know how they burn and if they're like good quality or not, but it looks pretty awesome so far. I'm super happy with all my candles. I'll do a picture and post on my Instagram of like what it would look like with my little garland thing. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I just want to show you guys what I got today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, weekend, Friday, Saturday, whatever. I love my smiley face. And bye guys. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.